Everyone, today we have a competition. It is based on translation. We'll see how you guys are going to speak every single sentence that I'm going to ask you in Hindi and how you are going to translate it into English. So first, let me know how many of you are ready to face the camera and face the stage. Raise your hand. The students who think they can come on the stage and can translate anything confidently. Let's talk about the new student first. I'm giving the first priority to the new students. I want that the new students should be on the stage because what I believe that these students who have been coming for a long time can translate easily, no doubt. But these students who have done their 10 days, 15 days, 20 days or a month in persona, we just want to see how they are going to speak. It matters a lot to us. Now you two are extraordinary translator, as I know. You think you two are extraordinary translator?
Yes, sir.
Really? Yeah. First, let us know your name. What's your name?
My name is Aditi Mohe.
We have Aditi. Aditi, we have to speak a little bit louder.
Yes,
your name
sir.
is Aditi Mohe.
Yes,
And
I am Janvi Mahile.
Janvi. Wow. Janvi, you are looking very confident and excited today.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So actually, I'm looking forward to come on the stage.
Oh, that is well.
Yes, sir.
And what about the competition? You think that you can defeat your friend?
Sure, I will try.
Okay, she's your friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you think you can defeat her in the translation?
Yes, sir.
But I think she translates better than you.
Yes, sir. She was even won
Yeah,
the prize in
she
the
won the prize
competition.
on translation even because she translates very fast, very quick. Anyway, let's see who is going to win. But before this, we want to know about your class, about your qualification. In which class you study?
So I'm recently promoted to 8th standard.
Okay, and in the 7th class, the kind of percentage that you got,
85%.
are you happy with this?
Not satisfied.
So how much did you expect to get? I mean, the percentage that could satisfy you.
95 plus.
95 plus. Is it right that girls can never be satisfied with their percentage? Even if you had got 95, then you would have decided to got 95 plus.
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the thing that can never be satisfied in case of percentage. And in which class do you study, Aditi?
Sir, I'm in 8th class.
You have been promoted in 8th
Yes, sir.
this year. You have also been promoted in 8th.
8th
Yes,
standard.
sir.
You two are in 8th standard.
Yes, sir.
Wow, so we have two extraordinary students, Janvi and Aditi. They have been promoted in 8th standard this year, and let's see how they are going to speak every single sentence confidently without making a mistake. So, can we start, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And in the last, you guys have to give the vote that who has spoken best. Okay? किसने सबसे अच्छा बोला है आपको वोट देने हैं. So let's get started. वो कौन है?
Who's he?
वो कौन है जो वहाँ बैठी हुई है?
Who is he who is sitting out there?
Who is sitting there?
Okay, who is she? Who is sitting there? मैं उस लड़की को नहीं जानता जो वहाँ बैठी हुई है.
I don't know the girl who is sitting there.
क्या वो आपकी सिस्टर है?
Is she your sister?
नहीं, वो मेरी सिस्टर
No,
है.
she's not my sister.
मैं उसके बारे में कुछ
I
नहीं
don't know
जानता.
anything about her.
I don't know anything
Nothing
about
about
her.
her.
Maintain the clarity in your tone so
Okay,
that our
sir.
audience can listen exactly who is translating very well.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
For 2 minutes you have to keep the mic. Then after 2 minutes you just have to pass the mic to
Okay,
her.
sir.
Okay? Now, मैं कॉलेज नहीं जाना चाहता.
I don't want to go to college.
Okay. I don't want to go to college. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहूँगा.
I would like to learn English.
I would like to learn English. मैंने पढ़ाई की.
I studied.
मैंने बोला.
I spoke.
मैं समझ गया जो आपने बोला.
I understood what I said, what you said.
What you said, what you spoke. क्या आप समझे जो मैंने बोला?
Did you get what I said?
Did you get what I said? Did you understand what I said? मैं नहीं समझ पाया.
I didn't get.
I didn't get. मैं नहीं समझ पाया.
I was not able to understand.
I was not able to understand, or you can say I could not understand.
not understand.
क्या आप बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak?
क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
Are you trying to speak?
क्या आप वही हो जो कल लेट आई थी?
Are you the one who came late yesterday?
Are you the one? Are you the same girl who came late yesterday? सब मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो कल लेट आई थी.
Sir,
मैं
I'm
तो वो हूँ
not-
जो कल समय पर आई थी.
Sir, I'm not the one who came late yesterday. I was the one who came on time.
मैं हमेशा समय पर आती हूँ.
I always come on time.
Okay. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना पसंद है.
I like to learn English.
मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ाना पसंद है.
I like to teach English.
I like to teach English. क्या आप जानती हो आज क्लास में कौन एब्सेंट है?
Do you know who is absent in the class today?
Excellent. That's great. मुझे पता है आज क्लास में कौन एब्सेंट है.
I know who is absent in the class today.
Aditi, you translate every sentence so quick. Why so? I
Sir-
want to know. Do you take any special diet?
Sir, it's all because of you, because you taught me very well, so that's why I'm able to do
Okay,
this.
okay. So everybody, let's have a rapid fire round and let's see how fast you can translate. You know what? Are you ready for the rapid fire round, everyone?
Yes.
Just listen her very fast. आप कल कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
अभी आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
आप क्या जानते हो?
What do you want?
आप क्या बोलते हो?
What do you
आपने
speak?
क्या बोला?
What did you
आप क्या
speak?
चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't want anything.
I don't want anything. मैं सब कुछ चाहता हूँ.
I want everything.
मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have
मेरे
everything.
पास सब कुछ था.
I had everything.
मुझे जो कुछ भी पता था मैं बोल चुका हूँ. अब मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
I have spoken whatever I knew. Now I don't know anything.
It looks she's prepared every sentence यार. You can ask her anything. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे नहीं जाना.
I don't want. I don't have to go. Why?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going? What will you do after going?
What will you do after going? What will you do by going? मुझे जाना तो मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
Let me go. I am getting
आप
late.
जाना कहाँ चाहते हो मुझे बताओ.
Where do you want to go? Tell me where do you want to go?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't know.
कहीं तो जाऊँगा मैं.
I will go somewhere.
कहाँ जाओगे?
Where will you go?
कहीं तो जाऊँगा.
I will go
कहीं भी
somewhere.
जाओ.
Go anywhere you want.
Go anywhere. Okay, मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊँगा.
I will no. I will go nowhere. I will stay here. I will study. I will improve myself.
So Aditi can translate anything here. क्या पूछूं? I'm a bit confused. But anyway, this time I will ask something new.
Okay, sir.
आपने क्या लिखा?
What did you write?
आपने जो लिखा मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया.
I couldn't read what you wrote.
I could not read what you wrote. आपने जो कुछ भी लिखा अच्छा लिखा.
Whatever you write was nice.
मुझे सोचने दो.
Let me think.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मैं जाना चाहूँगा.
I would like to go.
आप क्या लिख रहे हो?
What are you writing?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
क्या बोलोगे?
Will you speak?
Please pass the mic. Clapping for her, everyone. Wow. So, you think you can speak better than her?
So I will try.
You will try. So, everyone, we have Janvi, another good translator in persona, and she claims that she can translate anything like Aditi as she did. Let's see who is the best translator among between these two extraordinary girls. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहूँगा.
I would like to learn English.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
Okay, आपके फादर क्या करते हैं?
What does your father do?
सर मुझे नहीं पता मेरे पापा क्या करते हैं.
So I don't know what my father do. Does.
Okay, आपको पता होना चाहिए.
You should know.
आप 8th में आपको पता होना चाहिए आपके फादर क्या करते हैं.
You are in 8th standard. You should know what does your father do.
मुझे सब कुछ पता है सर.
I know everything.
मैं लेकिन आपको नहीं बताना चाहती मेरे पापा क्या करते हैं.
But I can't. But I just not want to say you what my father. What my
मुझे
father.
जाने दो.
Let me go.
मेरे पास 2 कैमरास हैं.
I have 2 cameras.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I'm learning
आप
English.
सीखना क्यों चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
Why do you want to learn English? मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak English.
मेरे पास बोलने के लिए शब्द नहीं.
I don't have words to speak.
I don't have words to speak. क्या आप सब कुछ बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak everything?
क्या आपको सब कुछ आसान लगता है?
Do you think everything is easy for you?
Do you find everything easy?
For you.
Do you find everything easy? हाँ मुझे सब कुछ आसान लगता है.
Yes, I found everything easy.
Yes, I find everything easy. मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I would like to
मैं
speak.
पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ.
I would like to
मैंने
study.
पढ़ाई करने की कोशिश की लेकिन मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाया.
I tried to study but I couldn't.
मेरे पास कॉलेज जाने के लिए समय नहीं है.
I don't have time to go to college.
मेरे पास कल कॉलेज जाने के लिए समय होगा.
I will have time to go to college tomorrow.
Excellent. Wow, that's great. क्या आप सीख रहे हो?
Are you learning?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking?
क्या बोलते हो?
Do you speak?
क्या बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या
speak?
बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
क्या अदिति आपकी फ्रेंड है?
Is Aditi your friend?
क्या अदिति आपकी क्लासमेट है?
Is Aditi your
क्या
classmate?
वो आपकी मदद करती है?
Does she help
क्या
you?
वो आपकी मदद करेगी?
Will she help
क्या वो आपकी
you?
मदद कर सकती है?
Can she help you?
Okay, क्या आप सुन रहे हो?
Are you listening?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking?
क्या बोलते हो?
Do you
क्या
speak?
बोल सकते थे?
Could you speak?
Could you speak? Wow. मेरे पास बोलने के लिए समय नहीं है.
I don't have time to speak.
उस लड़के को बुलाओ जो बाहर बैठा हुआ है.
Call the boy who is sitting outside.
सर मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानती.
Sir, I don't know the boy.
मैं उस लड़के को जानती हूँ जो व्हाइट शर्ट पहना हुआ है.
I know the boy who is wearing white shirt.
उसका नाम रोहन है.
His name is Rohan.
वो मेरा क्लासमेट है.
He is my
वो
classmate.
पढ़ाई में बहुत कमजोर है सर और वो स्कूल ही नहीं आता. बहुत दिन में स्कूल आता है.
So he is literally very weak in studies. He hardly comes to school.
ओके उसे रोज स्कूल आना चाहिए.
He should come school daily.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you
आप
going?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you
आप क्या
speaking?
बोलते हो?
What do you
आपने क्या
speak?
बोला?
What
आप
did you
क्या
speak?
जानते हो?
What do
आप
you
क्या
know?
जान सकते हो?
What can you know?
It's too fast. क्या खाते हो?
What do you eat?
What do you eat? No, I just want to know what do you eat in your diet so that we all will start eating and we can be a good translator like you. Any special diet that you take?
No, sir.
In the evening, what you eat? In the night, especially in the dinner?
Like the thing which is prepared to my home, I just
So,
take that.
we want to know what is being prepared at your home in night, especially.
Like it is not fixed.
It is
Like-
not fixed. Okay, that's great. Clapping for her.